So last night I watched this amazing documentary. It's called Senior. It's about Robert Downey Jr. and his dad, Robert Downey Sr. And basically, if you guys don't know, Robert Downey Jr. is this famous character from Iron Man. He's an actor. He's well known in Hollywood. And his dad was a filmmaker. And he obviously passed on this passion to his son. And it was just this amazing story of how that can happen. And dude, it got me thinking about my own life. Because that's exactly what's happening here. If you guys don't know, part of the reason I'm doing these videos is because my grandpa, 2 generations ago, did the exact same thing. He was a lawyer by trade, but loved videography, and he would get out there and just film his surroundings and then talk about it. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And part of the reason I'm doing it is because he did, but also because my dad taught me how. He's a photographer. Not by trade, but just because he likes to be a photographer. And he taught me how to use the camera. And ever since the young age of 11 or 12 or something like that, I've just been addicted to this thing. I love filming, I love editing, I just love everything to do with videography. And as you guys know, I've been struggling to break into the field. I'm doing it for fun entirely right now. But someday I'm hoping that I can be like Robert Downey Jr. or his dad and make money at what I'm doing and turn this thing that's just a passion into a job, into the combination. And I found out this afternoon that I have the opportunity to do exactly that. I got an interview scheduled tomorrow afternoon. I am going to be talking about potentially becoming a videographer. I'm so stoked for this. I'm so excited because I could be the first person in 3 generations to finally turn this passion into a job. I'm not taking it lightly, and for that reason, this video is going to be kind of cut short. But I want to end it by saying what Robert Downey Jr. said at the end of this documentary. We're humans. We're put on this earth. We're here for a short amount of time, and we do what we do, and then we're gone. And that's exactly what I'm doing, and that's really all that any of us can do. I think at the core of that statement is the meaning of life. Find what it is that you want to do. Do it, and then you're gone. It's as simple as that. I think life really boils down to exactly that. Chase your passions, pursue them, and then maybe someday, just like Robert Downey Sr. was, you'll be in the right place at the right time, and then you'll have the opportunity to pass that down to the next generation. That's all I gotta say today, guys. Wish me well for this interview tomorrow. I hope you're having a good one. Because, man, I am excited. I'll see you later.